Welcome to Pavinar's webinars for the pavement community. Today we'll briefly talk about achieving quality of asphalt emulsion. At the very beginning, in the design of the asphalt emulsions and any lab testing with the asphalt emulsion, it's very important to follow specifications. And this includes AASHTO M140 for anionic asphalt emulsions, AASHTO M208 for cationic asphalt emulsions, and AASHTO M316 for polymer modified asphalt emulsions. And there are tests that can be run on the asphalt emulsion, for example, a Asphalt viscosity test, which you can see on the right, and there's also tests that can be run on the asphalt emulsion residue. And there are various ways of obtaining asphalt emulsion residue from the asphalt emulsion sample, and that includes the traditional method of AASHTO T59, and recently there have been lower temperature methods developed which can be found in AASHTO R78. The keys to all of this design and lab testing include having calibrated equipment, following precision and bias statements, and also executing a quality management system. During manufacturing, it is also important to achieve quality. This includes storage requirements, including the temperature materials are stored at and the length of time materials can be stored at, how you handle the materials, and this includes all your raw base components of asphalt emulsion and the asphalt emulsion itself, and finally the testing on all of these materials, both the test type and the frequency of the test. It's important to test during the manufacturing when you're taking your raw materials, your soap solution and your asphalt binder, you're putting it through an asphalt emulsion mill in order to produce your asphalt emulsion. You should be running tests during the manufacturing. And the equipment calibration is absolutely critical for all stages and all components of the manufacturing process. It's important to consider both corrective and preventative actions during manufacturing. And then finally, it's important to have your quality management system. So we talked about quality management systems in the lab, which follow AASHTO R18. And during manufacturing, you should follow the ISO 9000 family of specifications for your quality management system. And at all stages, including the design, lab testing, manufacturing, and the placement in the field, it is important to do things safely. In the field construction, we again see the importance of equipment calibration to make sure everything is being placed in the proper quantities that you're designing for. You want to make sure that your surface and your roadway are prepared for whatever treatment that you're placing on the roadway. You must ensure there is good communication between all parties, including the owner, the supplier, and the contractor. It's important to monitor the weather during construction in order to achieve high quality, and then have a sampling frequency and testing plan. And this is a part of your written quality control, quality assurance plan that should be in place, documented, and made available in any field construction project. If you're interested in learning more about asphalt emulsions, you can search Asphalt Emulsion UARC or click on the link below. The University of Arkansas and the Asphalt Emulsion Manufacturing Association has put together 4 certificates, including the introduction of, the application of, the manufacture of, and the quality of asphalt emulsion. And each of these certificates is on demand and online. You can take it anytime at any place. And upon completion, you'll receive 15 professional development hours, and you'll have over 100 pages of reference material for each certificate. Finally, there are special government rates available for this certificate program.